Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark, this is Get Knotted Paracord, and today I'm going to do the slipped half hitch. Now, in my last video, which was the overhand knot with draw loop, I'll show you now, like that. That's your overhand knot with draw loop. In the comments, somebody asked, isn't that a slipped half hitch? And the answer is no, because it's not a hitch. Now, in the ultimate book of everyday knots, which is a really good book, link in the description down below, it says a hitch attaches a line, this is the line, to a fixed object, okay, such as a post, rail or ring, or another rope. So there you go, and we're going to do exactly the same as before. So I've got my paracord. It'll be easy with rope. Wrap it round, flip it over like that, and make a bite, poke it through the hole, and then cinch it up like that. Now it's paracord and it's not very brilliant, but there you go, that is your slipped half hitch. And to undo it, all you do is just pull on the short end and away it comes. Should we do it again? Let's zoom back out again. Ready? Over the top, flip it over like that, make a bite, and cinch it up, and that, sorry, that is your slipped half hitch. All you can do to undo it is put on the short end and it comes undone. There you go. So YouTube would like you to watch this video up here. I would like you to watch that playlist up there. Keep yourself safe, wash your hands, and I shall see you in the next video. Okay, bye.